Hey guys, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to try this one in my Does It Work section. I'm going to try the rotatory grater and slicer. This is the first time I'm opening this, and I will be trying it with a lot to show you guys the practical difficulties or how it is. So I will be trying it out in this video, and now let's go into it. So I have the vegetable grater here, and here I have one of the attachments, which is the slicer, and then there are two other attachments, which is basically a bigger grater and then a fine grater. So first I'm going to do with the slicer. So what you have to do is you have to put it inside this, and then the end you just attach it with this. And then you tighten it. So there it's secure. Now you have this vacuum to push and hold it. Vacuum is like really hard to push and hold. Okay. Now for the vegetables, I have here onions, carrots, cucumber, coconut, and some almonds also. Now what they tell is I have to put the vegetable right here, and I have to keep turning it. Oh my god. That is awesome. And then I'm just going to add this one. Keep it straight. Wow. This is so awesome. Look at the slices, it's so thin, so perfect. They advise you to use this, so I'm going to use that. Wow, look at the slices. It's awesome. I love this grater. It's just so easy. I don't have to give pressure or anything. I'm just rolling it. That's all. Now it's easily removable. It's actually easy only. Yes. Fix it back. I'm adding beetroot and just grating it. Wow, that's awesome. That is so awesome. Look at that. This is actually the big grater. So if I had done it in the small one, which is here, it would have been even more smaller. This is awesome. So I just put half of an onion, and you can see this is kind of the grating that it has given with a big one. Now I'm going to use the small grating attachment. Now I've added the smaller grater, and I'm adding coconut, like big ones, chunks of coconut. Okay. Oh wow. This is awesome. Wow, look at that. Wow, I was searching for a good coconut grating device, and this is like awesome. This machine is really awesome. It did it in a few seconds itself. I really love this. Other thing is, if I want to do another one, I have to remove this out, clean it, attach it, and then only do the next one because it gets mixed with the other item. The next thing I'm gonna do is cheese, but I cannot continue doing it. I have to remove this, clean it, and then only do it. I'll show you guys why I have to remove it, because it still has, you know, these chunks. So for cheese, I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. Oh wow, that's awesome. That is so awesome. It is grated really nicely. That's a really good grating. And finally, I'm going to do with badam and add it. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. That's awesome. I'm not putting any pressure at all. It's just doing the job so easily. Yes guys, this device definitely works really good. Definitely works for sure. Just a little bit of practical difficulties here and there, but otherwise it's doing its job. It's working. Just if you don't mind the small practical difficulties, I think it's a really good, easy vegetable grater as far as I have tried. I'll put the link where I got it. I bought it in Amazon, but it's available in Flipkart, Naptol. There's so many websites it's available. I'll put the link. So yes guys, hope this video was useful to everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.